The importance of strategic planning in HR function. Strategic planning is a tool that is very helpful in companies for day-to-day decisions, and it also provides guidance and outlines in the organization goals of the company that they can use in the future and also in the now. Developing plans is important also in companies. It gives them an organization goal where they have a better chance in succeeding. It can also answer questions that they'll need to know in the future within staffing, or if they need to lay people off so they know what to expect in the future. Some of the questions that is able to be answered by strategic planning is: how many staff do we need for the goal to be achieved? What jobs need to be filled? And also, what skill sets are needed, and does that company have that staff already trained with those particular skills needed, where they wouldn't have to actually hire someone new and spend the money on staffing and training as well. And this is the end of my slide.